Today we talk. Today we talk about document app in Odoo. First of all, we going to discuss like why we need it. It is to store all the documents electronically in Odoo, and then it can be released based on the request from the workspaces or from employees. So here, for example, why we need the document app. Due to the paper-intensive departments and operations like sale and invoices, we have a lot of document we need to like print and store it, or a client intake form like customer form, like their detail or term and condition of contract. HR related tasks we need to store, and the procurement like purchases part, the compliances like sign or approval, or finance and accounting part. We need where we use the documents mostly. And then if we talk about the cost impact, how it will save on the cost side, it will save you on the storage space. It will have a big impact on environment. It will increase the productivity. Instead of spending a lot of time on find out the document, you can store it and then find it out easily. And then if we talk about the cost impact, this is the cost impact of each paper in the US, around $69 billion were spent each year on the papers. And then if we talk about the KPIs for how this will affect this much, you can save on for each employee, like $80 for each employee on paper he's going to use for his activities. And then if we talk about it, is around 50 to 70% of office space acquired from the document. And say around 60% of recycling rate in states. And this is if we talk about a company like Citigroup, they can save this much money for each employee per week. Like this is what the Citigroup like could save each year if each employee conserved one sheet of paper per week. So if we go to the next one, odoo apps for your department and operations, it has sales and invoices thing. And then these are the apps where you will use odoo client intake forms, HR and onboarding, where you do the recruitment thing, purchases, compliance, and finance and accounting. So here you're going to use the document the most. So here, if we talk about the features of document app, you can create a spreadsheet. You can have PDF document. You can search PDF by the content and also version. Now, if we jump down to Odoo, how these things look like. So this is the document app where we see a paper in a folder. So now if I'm going to upload a document, so if I want, I'll click on upload, and here straight away I'll go to the folder and then upload the document. Now when I upload it, here we have it is now loading it, uploading to the Odoo database. So because it is a big file, so that's why it is taking a time. If we're going to record the uploaded document, here I have the document, the smallest one. So here you will see that it will upload based on the connection speed you have. Here, when it will complete this status bar, you will see the related information about this. You can put the name of this document, like what will be the name and important one. This we can put the name. You can tag this document with the customer or with the any stakeholder in the company. You can put the owner like a user who is the owner of this document workspace. You can store these documents in different workspaces. Workspaces is like departments like internal, finance, HR, marketing, products, or you can create a sub department using tags. Like for example, I'll put this into HR, and then I'll put it the name. Now, if I go here, I'll see that only in HR. So it will move from there. Then I'll put the tag on it. Like this is a document related to contracts. And then I can do the here I can download this document. I can share this document with my colleague, and also I can put the when I put like this document is for Muhammad Ali, and then I can put that like this document is only shared for 1 week. After that, this will be expired. I can put my message related to the document. Share your thoughts, and then I can generate a URL. So when this URL, I'll copy it, and then I can share this. When I'm going to share this URL with anyone, he just put this link and he can access this document like this. He just click on it, and then it'll run like this is the document which is shared. Now here, so this is like this, we can share it, and then we can replace this one with another document. We can lock this for security reason, because like if I'm going to lock, it will be locked. No one can change this document. If I want to cut this, like this is a PDF file, I want to cut into 2 pages, I can click on this Caesar, and then it will be split into 2 pages. Now I can select like I need this one, what I need to read, and then I can put like add a file, whatever the name is. So these are the two files are created for page 1 and page 2. Now here, so these are the main features we have for the document. If we now here is another thing, you can search a document with the name, with the name and also with the words in the document. Like what I mean by the words in the document, like this document is it have about. So I can put like which document have about word. So here I will just so I search by the content like about, then I go to index content. So it will give me the document which contain this word inside the document. And then what else we have, like versioning, we can track version and integration of documents, like how we can give a different, we can like put a chatter with the document, like you share a document and then you will ask to the employee to share his thoughts. So you can put a message regarding this document, like Mr. X, you can use at the rate, and then you can use like to whom you want to tag, please sign. So like that, we can do the communication collaboration on this document. Then we have, so this document app is fully integrated with the Odoo other apps. When I say fully integrated, it means so here we have we can add a link to share the document, which we shared that. We can request, like we can add a link, custom link to share a document. Now the employee can request a document like employment contract you need, or missing expense receipt. So he can request to the user. He can select which workspace it is. It is in finance. What is the due date? 30 days. And if there is a tag, he can use the tag as well. So here he can request the document. So when he requests the document, the person who will sign in, he will see the message here. He receive a new request to issue a document to this person. So here, if we have, so when they receive the request, they just click on it and then upload the document to issue, or find a document and select it. And here they can click on share with this person or share with the workspace. So like that, they can use the share the required document with the personnel who requested it. Now here is another feature in Odoo. There is a built-in spreadsheet. So when you click on create spreadsheet, you will have this built-in spreadsheet where you can create a blank one, or you can have this pre-designed spreadsheets. Like for example, here I have budget report, where it is showing like this is income, expense, and net profit. Or if I give you another example of this one, so if I have, for example, here I have the sale commission one. So I can design my own report where the data will be extracted from Odoo live, and it will update the data live based on the selected period we mentioned in Odoo. So now here you can see that here I have what is the invoice, what is the commission, and if I'm going to create here, I'll show you how it is linked with other apps. So for example, if I go to accounting, if you have document app, then you can see this feature, otherwise this will not be available. Now if I go to the pivot view, here I have the document feature, which is insert into spreadsheet. When I click on it, it will straight away create a spreadsheet. Let me put down into, trickle down into more. If I flip it, Then if I'll put a products here, so just to find out, okay. So if I'm going to insert in spreadsheet, I'll put the name, like what will be the name of this spreadsheet. And then I can confirm, and then it will take me Excel inside odoo. So what will happen is I can play with this. I can insert a column, which I will put a name for example, target. Then I can give a like how much is the target, 500,000. And then I can create like what is achieved. So here I can use different formulas, like this is the target, and then the achieve is this one. So the achieved difference is this. So like that, you can use a formulas to design your own Excel sheet instead of you download in Excel and then you will enter the data in it. So this is another feature for the Excel. You can create a spreadsheet from scratch. Just click blank. And here you can create your own spreadsheet, like these are the items name, and then sale price, and then cost. And then you can put the data in here. So here we put March. So here you can use the different formulas which is available in Excel, and then you can make a copy for it or save as a template or download. And when you download it will give you the another Excel one, which will be look like this. So if we go back to odoo, we also have the integration with the sign. Like for example, here I have a document. It has been requested to sign. So I will go to the document tab, although there is a separate one for the sign as well. So here, this is the document. Now I want to request to sign. So here, one way is you can do it from the document app, or you can upload a PDF file and then request to your contact person to sign it. You just upload it. So based on the speed, you will have this, how quickly it will be storing the data. Now this is the sign app. Now I want to sign, like request a signature. I can put the placeholders, like this is the name of the person and he will type it. This will be the date. And then I can put down what is his well, email, we're going to mention it. And here I can put it, like here you need to put his signature. And if the name is long, you can put the longer one. So like that, you can sign it now or send someone to sign it. So when you send to someone, you can select his name here and then write down the template, like what it is about, and then you can send it. So it will be sent. So when you select customer, obviously they must have the what you call the email address. So when they have the email address, then it will be sent to them. And on the dashboard, it will show you what is the what we have requested to signature. So this is the one I have requested now. So this is the pretty much about document tab. In the document, you also use that for your accounting. Like for example, you have many bills, you can upload it by scanning them. And when you're going to upload it based on artificial intelligence, it will create a bill for you, but this is a paid one you need. So I'm going to upload a invoice, or if I want to upload a bill, what I will do is I click on upload. I'll put it here and then attach a file, although it is an invoice, so it is example anyway. So when I'm going to continue, it will take me there, and it has automatically filled all the fields which was on the invoice. So if I quickly show you what was on the, now this which we have uploaded, and you can see it here. When we upload it, it has automatically pick all the data. You just scan it and it will upload all the data which is in the invoice. So like that, you can benefit from the document tab. So this is the pretty much we have with the document tab. And also on top of that, in any application, wherever you have this place here, it is basically stored. You can share these documents in the document tab, because this is the transaction created from the bill or from uploading or any activity. End of the day, it will be stored in document. Thank you very much for listening, and bye.